Hi friends, welcome to LaxmiYoutube channel. Today I am sharing CurryLeaves Pulihora or Karivepaku Pulihora. If you are watching my channel for the first time, click on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon to get more updates. You need curry leaves, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. In a mixing jar, add cumin seeds, green chilli and curry leaves and grind them. Don't add any water. Now you can see all the ingredients are grinded well. Now take them into a bowl and keep it aside. For tempering, you need cashew nuts, peanuts, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal, urad dal, hing, turmeric powder, red chilies, green chilies and curry leaves. Here I have already cooled down the cooked rice. Now add salt as per taste and lemon juice and mix well all the ingredients and keep it aside. Heat a pan and add oil 3 tablespoons and let it get hot. Now add peanuts. Peanuts will take more time to fry. So fry the peanuts. Now add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal, urad dal, hing, turmeric powder and fry them on low flame for a minute. Now add cashew nuts and fry them. Finally add curry leaves, red chilies and green chilies and fry them on low flame. Add the curry leaves paste and cook on slow flame till the raw smell goes off. Now you can see all the ingredients are fried well. Now switch off the flame. Add cooked rice and some coriander leaves and mix well all the ingredients. Adjust the salt and lemon juice. The curry leaves pulihora or Karivepaku Pulihora is ready to serve. This will be very tasty. Do serve this curry leaves rice with aloo fry. This will be very tasty. If you like this recipe, do try it and let me know your comments. If you like this recipe, do like and share. For more videos, do subscribe LaxmiYoutube channel. I have Facebook page, link given in the description box. Do like my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Bye.